Hi everyone, it's Jake, and today I've got a great art challenge for you. Inspired by David Stavino's brilliant economic brushwork, we're going to try and paint a self-portrait with only 30 brushstrokes. This is going to remind us to be loose, expressive, and make sure we're getting bang for buck for every brushstroke. For those of you that haven't seen it yet, I interviewed David, and the video is available on my channel. Can we paint a self-portrait with only 30 brushstrokes? Let's find out.
That's right. It's time for a Jake's Art Club. I hope you're ready.
I'm going to make sure the portrait is well lit and has some good shadows. That's going to help me break down the forms and planes of the face. And let's count the brushstrokes. So there we have it, a self-portrait using only 30 brushstrokes. Kind of looks like me, bit of a long nose. Let me know what you think in the comments. Yeah, I went over the target by one brushstroke. 30 seems like a lot, but they get used up so quickly. This exercise helped me slow down and really think about the marks I'm making. I think I preferred this piece at around 25 brushstrokes. So my advice is, if you like what you've created, feel free to stop at any point. This was great fun, and I learnt to appreciate the values and forms of the face. Getting that right can be more important than the details. I challenge you to give it a go. Make sure to share your work by posting it on Instagram and using the hashtag Jake's Art Club. At the end of the month, I react to all the fantastic artwork that's been submitted. Special thanks to our Patreon supporters. Have fun painting, and I'll see you in the next video.